Hey everyone, so today I share the little my free time. What you should do, lesson and diving fun. I am a pretty simple person, so my days usually children and easy going. I love my free time, the subtle music. I love listening to music. It helps me relax, just forget about just a while. I have a fever play the on my phone. What I put no my headphone. It's like my whole own little world. I might just lie at my bed or like to that window enjoy the sun. If weather is nice, I like go to work. I'm not a big surprise person, so slow work is perfect for me. I just work how my neighborhood, see what's going on. Sometimes see people working is dogs or kids playing. It's nice together, so fresh and clear my head. This is my favorite with the legs. In the evening, I like watch video online. After everything is done, I watch a kind of funny quest, travel vlogs, or sometime video. Sometimes I just go my phone, check out what's new media. It's a simple way to my day. So let's take my day and my free time. It's not very exciting, but it's real for me. Relaxing and always doing simple things like I join, listening to music, taking walks, and watching video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.